Graded rubber. Kyrie must be playing in Nike's running department. Wonder if he's running away from something. What's going on, everyone? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Kyrie Low 2 in the black and white colorway. Now, this shoe is Kyrie's second takedown model. The first model was the Kyrie Low 1 or the Kyrie Fly Trap. Had a bunch of different names. This one is just known as the Kyrie Low 2, which is a good thing because, with all the extra names, it can get a little confusing. First, let's take a look at the box. The box is a black and white box with the graded rubber design on the medial and the lateral, posed right on the top. Also, you have more of a silhouette of the rest of the shoe with a Nike swoosh at the bottom. You've also got Kyrie Low 2 on the side with more of the silhouette or design of the shoe. On the front, you've got the Kyrie Irving logo. And you've got more of the blueprint going around the shoe. And on the side panel, you have the Nike swoosh. And the colorway is black and white. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe features a black and white design with a variety of different materials such as mesh, plastic paneling, and graded rubber. Taking a look at the toe, you've got a black toe box, and this is mesh, along with the plastic panel overlay, and that's also in black. Moving towards the tongue, you've got a neoprene tongue in black with Kyrie Irving's jersey number at the bottom, number 11. And you also got black laces. The tongue tag is a synthetic material. You got the synthetic panel for the tongue tag, and you've got a black Kyrie Irving logo. The insole is black with the white Kyrie Irving logo. Around the logo, it also says engineered to the exact specifications of Kyrie Irving. Moving towards the heel, you've got this clear rubber panel, and I don't know if it's gonna pick it up or not, but on that panel, it also says engineered to the exact specifications of Kyrie Irving. You've also got the black mesh base with this graded rubber panel. You've also got the black mesh base with this graded rubber panel, and you also got a white Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got a white heel counter, and this is mesh, and you've got a black back tab. The medial is identical to the lateral, so you've got the black knit mesh base with the graded rubber overlay panel, and you've got the Nike swoosh at the bottom, but the lateral has a larger Nike swoosh. This shoe features a white midsole with black speckles, and the outsole is black with the white Kyrie Irving logo. This is a really decent shoe. It reminds me of the Hyper Dunks in that style of shoe. It's definitely a takedown model. It doesn't look really like a signature shoe, and that's not what it's supposed to. For $110, it's definitely a well-built shoe, and it's not a shoe that's gonna fall apart. You could definitely play some basketball in it. Like I said before, it reminds me more of a runner though, as opposed to a basketball shoe, but it also has a lifestyle aesthetic to it, and I think that's super dope. Now let's get some detailed looks at the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. The Kyrie Low 2 black and white is now available at select Nike retailers and Nike.com for a retail price of $110. Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out the Solepost.com for more news, features, and purchase links for all the shoes we feature on the channel. Also, you can follow us everywhere at the Solepost. I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.